When the Mopit isn't putting out enough soapy water onto the floor, it's time to clean the fresh water filter. Put the Mopit in transport mode by pushing the transport pedal. Then tip the Mopit on its back. Turn off the manual water valve. Pull the tubing off of the valve. Pull the filter assembly to the right to remove it from the water line. Twist the filter housing apart. Some filter housings are yellow instead of gray. Pull the filter out of the housing and rinse the filter under running water. Push the filter back into the housing and screw the housing back together. Push the elbow back into the tubing and connect the hose to the valve. Don't forget to turn the manual water valve back on. Tip the Mopit up and push the scrub pedal down. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com